Welcome back, everybody. BeeDee Studios in the kitchen. We're bringing you another easy weekday keto inspired by me meatloaf tonight. So I'm using the traditional beefy onion Lipton cup of soup. The instructions are right in the back of the packet. You need, let me put my glasses on. You need 1 envelope of Lipton cup of soup. You need 2 pounds of ground beef, plain, 3/4 cups of plain breadcrumbs. I am using pork rinds, crushed, okay? You need some water, ketchup, and preheat the oven to 350.
Nice.
Preheat the oven to 350.
Okay.
And let me show everybody how I store my meatloaf. My picadillo, my ground beef, I store it like this in the freezer. So when you get home at night and you need to make something quickly, tacos or meatloaf or whatever, put it in the sink, put a little water, and in 5 minutes, it's going to be ready to go. So I like things fast, as you know. There's my meatloaf. And I'm going to do a little twist on this, and I'll show you guys what I'm going to do. So it requires 2 eggs. So I'm going to go ahead and, there's no particular order. Just put your ingredients. 2 eggs. And just mix them a little bit. It's basically for binding and to give it moisture. 1/3 cup of ketchup. I am doing keto, so I am doing no sugar added. And this is how I measure 1/3 cup. 1/3 cup. If you're a precise measurer, then go ahead and measure it out. Here is my Lipton cup of soup. And here is,
Get it closer to that.
here's my keto breadcrumbs. I did do about 1/3 cup of that. It's probably a little bit more than 1/3. It says 3/4 cups. I'm sorry, 3/4 cups. That's about 3/4 cups. And if you have big chunks like I did there, just take them out. They will disintegrate inside the meatloaf. So let's mix it. Okay. Now the instruction says 3/4 cups of water. I never put 3/4 cups of water. So my tip is put 1/4 cup of water. It's more than enough. I don't know why they want to put so much in there, but I don't put that much. Okay, so I'm going to do some more mixing, and we'll be ready to make some magic. You can freeze this and pull it out whenever you're ready, or you can make it the night before, and when you get home you just pop it in the oven, but it's very satisfying. Just have it with a side of vegetables, or maybe even cauliflower mash. That sounds good, right? So here is what I'm going to do that's going to be a little different, okay? I have done hard-boiled eggs, and we're going to hide them as a little treat inside our meatloaf. So let me show you how I do that. Oh. So you're going to just pour your meatloaf out. I'm going to take my rings off so I don't get meatloaf on my rings. And you just want to mess around with it a little bit more again. Massage it. It's got a lot of moisture from the egg, so just play with it until you get a nice loaf. So we're going to hide our eggs in there.
How fun is that?
How fun is that, right? And then just take a little piece and cover it. Nothing happens to the eggs. They don't explode. They don't dry out. They're just cocooned in there in the moisture of the meat. And when you cut it, it's going to be a pretty surprise. This is a nice Easter thing. That egg keeps on wanting to come out. Watch that. I feel like Julia. Oh, don't worry. Just cover it up. It'll be fine. I am not the French pastry. I am the Cuban pastry. Chef. The Cuban chef. With ADD. The ADD chef. Okay, here's the finishing touch. A little more ketchup on the top. Some people don't like it. I like it. Gives it a little more sweetness, right? And it makes it crusty. Some people use barbecue sauce. if you like barbecue sauce on the top. It's up to you. But since I'm doing the keto thing, it's sugar-free ketchup. It goes into the oven for an hour. I usually do about 50 minutes. Turn off the oven and let the heat finish it. So we're gonna pop it into the oven and then we'll show you how it comes out. Bye-bye, do your thing. Now we wait. That's something you have to do. All right, it has had time to cool. And I'm gonna cut it open and let's see the magic.
Check it on the other side.
Ah, look at that. Beautiful. Ta-da! Meatloaf with a hidden surprise. I hope you try this recipe. Super easy, super fast, about 50 minutes or so. And leftovers for tomorrow. So thank you again for watching. Hope you try the recipe. We will put not the link but the description. In the description box we'll put you the recipe, and I hope you try it. See you real soon. Cooking with BeeDee Studios next time.